Let's talk about the invisible score that is killing your SEO traffic, Core Web Vitals. You have probably heard of LCP, largest contentful paint. It is Google's way of measuring how fast your site feels. And if your score is in the red, Google punishes you. They push you down to page 2. So, you spent weeks compressing images. You installed caching plugins. You minified your CSS, but your score is still bad. Why? Because you can't optimize a slow server. I am going to show you why moving your site is actually the most effective SEO tactic you can do this year. Click the link in the description right now. That link takes you to Kinsta. I want you to open it because Kinsta is one of the few hosts that consistently delivers green scores for Core Web Vitals out of the box. Open that link, and let's talk about TTFB. Open the link. Okay, here is the metric your cheap host doesn't want you to know about. TTFB stands for time to first byte. It is the amount of time it takes for your server to wake up and say hello to Google. On a cheap host like GoDaddy or Bluehost, the TTFB is often 1 to 2 seconds. Think about that. Before your website even starts to load images, before the browser can do anything, you have already wasted seconds waiting for the server to answer the phone. Your LCP score is ruined before the race even starts. Kinsta destroys TTFB because they run on Google Cloud C2 machines and use edge caching. Their TTFB is usually under 100 milliseconds. It is instant. The server responds immediately. The browser starts painting immediately. Your LCP score drops from 4 seconds to 1.5 seconds. And you didn't touch a single line of code. You didn't compress a single image. You just upgraded the engine. Google has made it very clear. Speed is a ranking factor. If you are fighting for the number 1 spot, you cannot afford to have a server that is slower than your competitors. So, go back to that link in the description. Stop trying to use plugins to fix a hardware problem. If your server is slow, your SEO is dead. Click the link, get the hardware that Google loves, and turn those red scores green. I'll see you in the next video.